Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom photos to your Wix website. Let's get started. So right now, I am on the Wix website editor, and you can see right here that I have various photos that are laid out beautifully right here. So this is called section gallery. So for example, you don't know how to do that. So for example, let's try to delete it first, and I will tell you how to add us to your page. So from in there, click on Add Section. And then from in there, you can see the option for Gallery. So click on that. And in here, you can actually choose the layout of the gallery that you want to use. So just choose the gallery layout that you want. So for me, for example, I want to choose this right here. So we can just drag and drop this right here or anywhere that you want to add it. So as you can see, this will actually add your gallery to your page. So it will take just a moment to load this because it is quite a big thing to be added to your website. So as you can see, it will look like this. So if you actually want to edit this out, you can click on this specific section. And then from in there, you should be able to see the option to edit this. So if you can see that, just right click on section layouts. And in here, you can also change the layout that you want. You can also change the content. So you can change the paragraph and all of that. So in here, you can also manage the media. So click on Manage Media. So let's click on this. And then this will open this Manage Media for us. So let me try to put this right here. So as you can see, the number here indicates the order after. So for example, we want to deselect them all if we don't want to add them. We just need to add view medias. So click on this add media right here. Click on image. And in here, you should be able to add the image that you want to add. So for example, I will just upload this one. This from my computer. Click on add to gallery, and then this will add it right here, and I can rearrange it however one is to see it, just like that. So you can also click on add media right here and click on image and then search for image that you want to add. So for example, let's search in here for turtle. And then in here, we should be able to see some images that you can add on your gallery, just like that. So if you want to delete these things, just click on delete and remove all of this that you don't think are applicable for the gallery that you're creating. So let's try to remove that. And let's add new pictures or gallery. So click on add media again, and then just add everything that you need to add right here. So for now, let's add cat. And then this will search the Wix Pro Gallery Media and then provide us the picture that we are looking for. So let's just wait for that to load. And right here, just choose the image that you want to use. Click on add the gallery. And once it's been added gallery, you can see it right here. You can also add video if you want. So you can upload or you can get video from YouTube. So if you click on YouTube right here, just need to paste URL from YouTube or Vimeo in order to add that specific video on your website. So for now, let's just stick with that image. And let's add a picture of a bird. And then in here, this will search the media gallery for a bird. So let's choose this one right here. And then click on add to gallery. And then in here, you can just select everything that you want to use. So for example, let's just all of those. And then from in there, select all and click on done. So it will take some time in order to properly integrate it. But as you can see, it already been integrated to myself. So you can add 2 more pictures if you want in order to fill this gap right here. So in here, you can also edit this image gallery and also the paragraph right here. But once you're done with everything, you can just click on publish right here. And once you have published it, you should be able to see your site. We click on view site. And then this will load our website. So let's head over to the specific page that we have edited earlier. Then scroll down, and in here you can see the images that we have added earlier. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add custom images to your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!